You know, nature speaks to us and it doesn't speak in tongues. It speaks in colors. If you have diversities into which you have not baked equity and justice, you will always have war. There will be strife because people will compete. It is in their nature to compete. And when you do not create a level playing field, level playing field does not necessarily mean that you equalize everybody, because some people would definitely require help more than others. But it does not mean that you are now going to hold somebody else while somebody else is encouraged to run. But we have a society that has been built on the back of injustice. Even our fraudulent constitution has baked in inequalities. It tells you that somebody is coming from educationally disadvantaged, this one is quota system, this one is that. It has encouraged divisions of the people, but it is the people that have been divided. The ruiners have never been divided. Have you heard any one of those ones at the National Assembly complaining about being paid too much? Exactly. But the people, they are busy arguing and abusing each other on behalf of the monkeys who are busy sharing the loot. So it is not that our diversity is a problem on its own, or that it is what has doomed us. Are we more diverse than India? We are not. The reality is that our diversity should be our strength. But those who designed Nigeria and its governance systems have designed it in a manner that makes it impossible for our diversity to strengthen us. Instead of our diversity strengthening us, it is scattering us. If you look at this table, any table would have at least 3-4 legs. Those are the diversities, but they are equally balanced. It's not like if one was not balanced properly, the table will scatter. What you have in Nigeria is a system that is designed to divide the people instead of uniting them. So our diversity is not our problem. The argument against our diversity, desperation about the inequities and injustices, lead other people to embrace the argument that perhaps this diversity is a problem, let's divide Nigeria. But the question I sometimes ask them is, how many parts are we dividing into? I'm not arguing against that at this point. It's not for me to tell the oppressed how they should respond to oppression. But personally, I don't believe that our diversity is a problem. I believe it's the way we've been structured and the total absence of the rule of law in our space. That is what has led to all the problems that we have, not our diversity.